So this is me using a net to form a rose. So you can just stick it to your dress. Maybe use this pin to attach it to a dress, or use your rose with net. Rose using a net. These roses can be used on dresses, a child's dress, even for an adult. So it is not subjected to only babies, but you can use it for any other thing. So many other things. So I'll be using 2 inches of net in width and 35 inches in length. 35. You can decide to make this longer depending on how big you want your rose to be. So I'm using 35 inches. So I cut out 35 inches of this in 2 parts. So first thing, I'll go ahead and place this on this. Place one on the other. Then from there, I'll bend it again. I'll bend it over again. After bending it over again, I bent it over again. Then I'll go ahead and tack this. I'm going to run a very loose stitch, loose gathers on this. Just watch me. So I'm going to go ahead.
Yes, you went on there. There, oh my eye. My eye.
So, okay, I'll just pull it a little. Then I'll go on. I'll do the same thing all through till I get to the end. Make sure that this is well placed because it can be shifting. So like I said, you can decide to use 5 inches in width, or 6, or 3. It's all dependent on how big you want your rose. So I'm still tacking. You need to be careful. You know how lightweight this net is. So if you don't hold it well, it slips out. It's very light. So so you can decide to use I used 35 in length. You can decide to make yours 40. You can decide to make it 30, depending on how wide or how long you want your rose. It could be smaller, it could be bigger. So I'm not saying this is a standard measurement. I just felt like this size of rose is what I want. So guys, if this is your first time tuning into this channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell for more updates. Maybe when we post our new videos, you will be notified. Thank you. Please, just do it now. It won't take you 30 seconds. You see how I ended it? In a slanting form. So I'll go ahead now and try to align this. I'm trying to open it up so it doesn't gather too much or become too loose. So I cut out another piece. It's about the same width, but this is, I think, 8 inches. 8 inches. So I'm going to go on now and just twist this. I'll just twist it just to form a circle. I'll twist it. So I'll sew here up. This is just to hold it in place, nothing much. So pop out. So now go on. I'll use this. Let me trim out first. So you can decide to use your glue, or you can decide to sew it down. So I'll be using my needle to tack it down. As I wrap, I sew. This is in case you do not have gum, glue gum. You can do this instead. So I'll go on. So I'm still tacking. I'm still sewing it down. So you see, this is not so big, it's sizable. This is for a child. Yes, that's why I made it so small. So I decided to share this with my lovely people. So you can see, let me cut this out. This is the first thread. I'm cutting it out. So I'm going to use this to end it. So in place of this, it is always advisable to use your gum. Use your gum. But if you don't have a gum, you can use your needle to tack it in.